Hello and welcome to the Crypto Bakery. Hello and welcome to the Crypto Bakery. So, in this video, we are going to talk about Bitcoin, where Bitcoin is going to jump or whether Bitcoin is going to dump. So, let's just indicate others because we just going live. Okay, so I'm just indicating others that we are live now. If you can listen my voice perfectly, and is there any voice which is irritating you guys, so let me know. If you guys any interruptions about the picture or any interruption about the voice, let me know. Yeah, so we are going to analyze Bitcoin today, and if I just open my Bitcoin chart here, and I'm going to analyze this chart in a 2 hour time frame. So let's see how this chart is, what chart is saying to us. So this is our 2 hour time frame, and as you can see, I just placed my trend line around this, and we just got three white soldiers. First one is here, second one is here, and third one is here, and we may be catching up our next resistance, which could be around our next resistance would tell us where is our next resistance. If I placed my resistance line here, that would be our next stop, or we this could be our next reversal. But this is our 2 hour time frame. So let's see what 4 hour time frame is saying to us. 4 hour time frame is saying that we haven't got any three white soldiers, but the current two candles are indicating that we maybe have another one green candle which maybe like crosses this resistance around here, and we got even another one green candle. So let's just delete this, but the current area is saying that 22,130 is our next resistance. but I believe that we may cross this area because this is a formation of three white soldiers in 4 hour time frame. So we can have like this, the next PA could be like this. If the next PA is like we are having a next retest here around something, so the next price action would be like this. Okay, so let's just turn back into our 2 hour time frame, and which indicates that we already have three white soldiers. Now get back to the our now get back to our trend lines around here, and if I just delete this and goes back to our trend line areas, like if we start from here to, like we have to just focus on our touches. Trend line should not crosses the candles in between, like this trend line is crossing the candles, so we should not do like this. We always have to find our touches, which is here, like the first touch is here, second, third one is here, and every time we are touching the same areas, the price is reversing drastically. Okay, so if I just drag my trend line from here to here, we may powerful reversal from 22,600. We already got three white soldiers in 2 hour time frame, so the next PA could be like this. The 22,600 area would be our next resistance, and we could reverse from here like this. I'm not getting any long positions here because I'm just watching my and just watching and analyzing the chart until the final decision. So just got one, just wanted to something perfect. And if I just place my second trend line here, which is around which is starting from 19,900 something and goes like exactly the same area where the three white soldiers started. Yeah, Samiullah. Walaikum assalam. How are you, man? How are you, man? So these two lines are already indicating that we may have a reversal, but we have to wait around. We have to wait to till we hit 22,600 something. Okay, so if I just place my trend line, so I already placed my trend line. Now focusing on our resistance. If I find my next resistance like here, yeah, so this is the exactly same area where our next reversal is expected. We are expecting our reversal from here in this area. Okay, so then in front of you I just placed my resistance here in focusing this area, which is like 22,000, above 22,500. And if we goes to the current price, that would be also our trend line area and also our next resistance area. So we are also hitting this area, we are hitting this area here, we are hitting our trend line plus our resistance. Again we are hitting our trend line plus our resistance. So the next expected area to hit is 22,500 and 22,600. So this is my analysis on 2 hour time frame. Okay, so if you got any, okay, one more thing, wait a second. So if you got any requests, please comment down, I will make a chart for you. Okay, I'm just finding my next resistance before 22,600 just to be perfect on the analysis. Yeah, man, my language is cute. I'm just starting this YouTube channel because I didn't know how to use this, but I'm just focusing on it. So let's see how this goes. Okay. So if you got any request, please let me know. So I'll chart about that and we'll analyze that. Okay, let's focus on a bigger picture. If we got something in here, let's delete this. My main focus is now is to just calculate any charts with my trend lines. So let's just make another chart in a 4 hour time frame. Oh wow, perfect. Okay, so in a bigger picture also we are expecting that we should jump from here, and in a 4 hour time frame we are making, I think we are making a three white soldiers, and if we make this three white soldiers, that would be a bigger jump than we expected. And if we goes to the history, no, we are not getting any supports here. The whole chart is empty, so we are not getting. If I wanted to place my support here, the chart is empty in the history, so let's just focus on the current price action. Yeah. Okay, so the our current support is here. I am mentioning it from the arrows. Yeah. Yeah, maybe crypto tank is here, I think, or not, because he is going to live also. I wish to have him on my live stream. Let's see. Okay, so this one is our current line area, and the next resistance could be like here, which is also indicating, and the 4 hour time frame is also indicating that we are going to hit 22,600. We already analyzed this chart in a 2 hour time frame, and that also saying that we are going to pump, but not the bigger pump as you can see, but we are going to have a nice decent reversal from here. 21,000, 22,000, from 22,000. Okay, why I placed my resistance here, because we are hitting this area. We got the second touch here, we got the third touch here, and we may have another touch and to 22,600 something. Okay, so let's just focus on oh, so we got a request about wi-fi. Okay, so wi-fi. Okay, so let's just start from here. By mentioning this, I'm expecting that we should be going like this. Okay, so let's just also add our trend line, and let's see if I just flip this chart from upside down. By doing this, I'm just analyzing it more accurately, but no, we are not getting it perfectly. We have to move again. So basically I'm confusing this chart. Let's just back to our 2 hour time frame, and let's see if we got another price action, so we can place our trend line here. Okay, yeah. No, I just have to keep finding my touches. So that's also a irritating but also a fun way to analyze the chart. We are already gotten our next support. Yeah, man, yeah. You will get the you will get the next signal in private Discord. Don't worry. I'm just analyzing it. I'm just trying to analyze this here for the public people. Okay. No, I think we are not doing this perfectly or something. Yeah, like this. Yeah, we can do like this. We can do like this. We just find a couple of touches here on this trend line. There are a couple of touches upside and downside. There are a couple of touches here, so I'm just going to mention that two touches are here. Another touch is here, and another one is here, and there are a couple of touches here. We are going to reverse from here because we already touched this area. We may have another dip because we haven't perfectly touched around this area is our support also, and plus we've gotten the trend line, lower trend line. Okay, so we may go like this, we may also go like this, and we may also go like this. I'm just going to analyze this in a bigger picture so you can use this as a spot trade. Okay, let's just delete this area. Okay, so we may have a pump from the current price, but we may also dipped from 6,651 to 6,500 something, and then pump from here to here. Okay, so these touches are indicating that we are not in a real reversal mode, but we may have a reversal from the trend line. This trend line is just indicating this, that we may have a reversal because Bitcoin is also a little bit bullish for me, because we already analyzed this chart in a 2 hour time frame and 4 hour time frame also. So we can expect also a alt reversal from here. Okay, so if I just go in a bigger picture like daily. Yeah, I'm just starting with my support lines here. Yes, we may have a reversal from here. I'm just putting my another trend line here. Yes, now this is perfect for me. This triangle is indicating that this one is a bigger retest for me, but a comfortable retest for me also. So this retest is indicating that we are going to jump from here. Okay, so what would be our next target for YFI? 1 minute, I'm just finding my touches in the history. Okay, so there is nothing in the current price, so I'm just putting my resistance around here. Okay, which is also a range for me because we've gotten a couple of touches here like this. So this one we've got another touch, and the second touch is here, fourth touch is here, fifth touch is here, and we are expecting that we are again jump this range here, which is like 6,900 and 7,000 something. Okay, we will go like this. We first broke our triangle, which is this. Now we goes to the upper resistance, which is here. Okay, so the powerful resistance was there, and we jumped from here to here, and we again dipped and completed the retest, and now we are going to do like this again. I don't completely know that we will do another retest from here, but I am pretty much sure that 6,600, from 6,600 we may go to 6,900 for to complete this retest, because after every retest we are going to find a reversal, because every after every retest we reversed from the current price. Okay, so this could be our next price action from 6,500, and the next resistance is around 6,900 something. So basically the whole market could recover something from here, and Bitcoin is also bullish. Okay, so Bitcoin already pumped from 21,800, and we did our three white soldiers. Also YFI looking very good from here. On the we are retesting on the triangle. We are not just retesting on the support, but we are retesting on the triangle, so this could be our another plus point for this YFI. Okay, let's just move on to, we've got another request, so let's just move on to Acha, first thing that and another thing, we need to find our stop losses. What could be our next stop loss? Okay, if we just broke down from here, if we don't do like this and we just dumped from here to here and completed this retest, then I think then our stop loss should be there around 6,400 something, 6,425 should be our stop loss. Okay, not just breaking this. Okay, this is just messing, I'm just messing up with the charts. Let's just delete something so you can understand things perfectly. Okay, so I was just telling that if we break like this, our stop loss should not be there, but when we completed this retest, our stop loss should be there, because after every retest, we all know that we are going to reverse like this. Okay, so our stop loss should be around like this here. Okay, so even if we break our triangle, you should not have to worry about stop losses. Okay, so the first thing is we are going to go like this. Okay, let's just move on to Ethereum. Okay, Okay, let's just open it in a 1 hour time frame. Or if you guys want a quick trades, please let me know so that I will open the charts in a smaller time frame like 15-minute time frame or even a 5-minute time frame. Okay, so let's just open this chart in a 30-minute time frame, because the lower the time frame we can get a couple of indications from the Japanese candlestick pattern, because there are more candles, so there could be more indicators from the candles. Okay, if we just place our trend line here, so what should be the next area? Okay, okay, so I focused on this area. I started from here, I goes from here, and now I'm focusing on the current price action. Okay, so you just don't need to find a couple of touches on the support. Just place your trend line, your support line here, and then focus on the touches. You don't need to find the most touches. Let's just place it here, and after that you can find your next touches. If you don't find any touches, you can move around this line. Like if you find any touches here, you can place it here. If you find any touches here, you can place it here. I'm finding my touches here. You just need to place your support line at the current price. Let's just place your any trend line or any support or resistance line at the current price, and then starts finding your touches. Okay, I just place my support line here. Okay, so I'm just finding my next touches here. Okay, and now what these two lines are saying, that the current price is 1534, and we could do a retest here at 1527 something. Okay, we should do like this. We should do a retest here, and then boom, you should find another more touches in order to place your TPs around here. So let's just place it here. Okay, we may breaking our candles, but let's just focus it here and just place it here. Okay, the first one is here, the second one is here, third one is here, fourth one is here. Every time we are touching the same area, we are reversing from it. Another touch. Okay, so we now got our entry, which is around 1528, and one you can just buy it 1528 and 1530. So my range is 1528 and 1530. After the retest, we are going to just complete this retest from 1533 to 1528, and after that we are going to jump. Okay, so this is my chart for Ethereum in a shorter period, not just a longer period. I'm expecting that we should do like this 15282 around as let's say 1577. Okay, So we just need to go with the range to range. So if I just place my another range, if we can find, you just don't need to drag it down here on everywhere, you just need to keep finding it. Okay, I'm not getting any more perfect area to place another resistance. I'm not posting it here. Okay, because there are a couple of candles, and if I just place my support line here, resistance line here or there, it will just break the maximum candles, and which is not so good for the chart. Okay, so let's say if we start from 1528, we should go like this. We should hit our next resistance. We can move from 1576 and depth around like something. If we make another retest, there is not a good area to do a retest, because we haven't got any uh, powerful resistance before this line, so that's why we are not getting a retest after this area. So I believe that if we pumped from here to, from the current price to 1570 or 1575, we should make a reversal from 1575, and we can open our short positions around here at this resistance. At this resistance we can open our next shorts. Okay, so that's all about Ethereum. And if we go back to our Bitcoin charts, Bitcoin is still there. The weekend is gone, but the price is still there. There is no volume. There is no volume, but the candles is showing that we need to jump from here. There is also a wicks in the current candles, but I'm expecting that we should do like this. Because in a 2 hour time frame also we completed our 3 white soldiers, and in a 4 hour time frame we are going to make 3 white soldiers. Okay, so that's how our today's analysis about Bitcoin, Wi-Fi, and Ethereum. And overall market is I think market is going to explode. Not so big, but I'm expecting that 22,600 is my target. In the last stream 23,000 was my target, and we just missed by a couple of dollars. In the last stream our target was 23,000, but we missed by $6. So now we are at more now we are more powerful with the chart. So let's see how this prediction goes, and we will meet in the next stream. Okay, so let's just close this, and we will meet in the next